Okay, I'm Gorka from the company URMA. We are located in Spain. We are distributing URMA products since '98. At the beginning, I was working in selling, technical selling, and I am working as CEO at the moment. Yeah. This history starts in '98. One Swiss guy appeared in our company, was Gilbert Sumstead. He told us about the products. That moment was only boring system, and we like it. We have a good feeling with him and with the company. And then start. And it's a long history. We collaborate in the project of the Reamers RX in Spain with him. And some years later, we continue this collaboration, and we are part of URMA. It's a partner from URMA, and that is. Work with URMA, it's very easy from one side because we have an exclusive product, very high-touch product. We like to work with that kind of product. We have a great support, technical support, and in other questions we have good help, always good collaboration, we have good feeling together. The other side is a difficult product to sell. You have to find your niche, which kind of customers can use your product and they can take some profits using it, because it's not a product for all kind of industries or all kind of workshops. Okay, we are focusing especially in two industries, automotive industry and aircraft industry. There are different reasons for that, but we are going to focus in automotive industry. We have several samples, but from time to time we are doing now a joke. A joke is a piece for the driving system. And we start with it, and it's very difficult. We were doing no more than 800 pieces, and the goal was near 10,000 pieces. Well, we were really far from there, but we are doing small steps. We try with different cutting conditions, we try with different geometries, different coatings, different clamping systems, everything, step by step. At the moment we are with that project, we are selling a lot of tools there, and that opens us other doors, and with the same customer and other kind of customers, because when you do okay some job, the people is coming to you too. It's asking, and people talk about you, and it's nice. I mean, we are winning some projects in that way. What I appreciate from URMA are different things, but okay, I can tell you they have a really high-tech product. They have good delivery times, we have good support, but I can say it's the URMA people, and we have a really good feeling, really good support in different areas, technical area, deliveries, with managing everything. I think that is the key for a good job. They transfer to us a lot of knowledge, they receive from us our ideas, and it's easy to go together with them. I think that is more than the product.